Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom i on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and then go to the search at the right bottom. Now click at the search line at the top, or if you have iOS 26 at the bottom, and write SOUNDCORE. Now search, and you should install the application what's called SOUNDCORE. Now open it. If you need notification, click allow. If you don't need, click do not allow. Then agree and continue. Right here you can sign in into your account or create a new one. At the right top you can select your region, and to the left top you can skip it. I'm going to skip it. Now right here click allow, and we did it. In the next video I will show you how to add your speaker to the app. If you don't know how, you can check that video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!